Next time on the Nature Channel, we try and find the wild, elusive panda. Next time on the Nature Channel, we watch as the panda eats its bamboo. I think he's having trouble. Let's try and get a little bit closer. Now we watch as the panda takes poop. Cats. The panda is quite the exquisite animal. As we watch, it's hiding behind the tree. Oh no, I cannot see the panda anymore. It's gone. It just killed a pig. The panda is a very vicious animal and can kill you with its diamond hoe, as you can see, in like 5 swings. It's best if you stay away from it. It would be best. You know, this doesn't taste quite bad.
You know, we're rolling, right?
No. Just ignore it. Alright, this is the panda, and I think this might be her lair. We might want to try to get a closer look as the panda recedes into her lair.
Dude, why'd you leave? Why'd you leave?
Ignore the loud kid talking in the background.
Why'd you leave? Hello. Hello.
We watch
Hello.
as one of the dead
Hello.
victims of the panda that she has mindly enslaved follows her.
Yep, Michael's not gonna talk. I don't even get why you like this type of thing.
Back here, in a little hidey hole. It looks like she's killing babies. She's killing some of her victims. It looks like she has some trapped in storage for later. This is marvelous. The panda is quite the exquisite animal.
I'm scared. Be quiet.
We gotta be quiet. Be very quiet.
Hello. Why did you leave?
The panda is trying to kill some more of the victims. This is truly horrific to watch.
That's why you left? Oh, wait, you got... What do you want to put beside?
Now we watch as the panda goes to sleep. And apparently, as she goes to sleep, she puts on pants. She's awake.
Seriously, what are
She's awake. We might want to get out of here.
Minecraft?
Run.
This scene has been cut.
Now we watch as the panda appears to be in a library. It must be very important to her. Now we look as she's reading a book and making some disturbing sounds. I don't know if we should be watching this for younger viewers, so we'll just censor this out. Oh, she's looking at us. Hide. Hide.
That's too bad. What?
Alright, this time we've built a trap and we have camouflaged it. So we might have a chance to actually catch the panda in this trap. Alright.
Oh, piece of bamboo. Oh, piece of bamboo. Oh, bamboo. Oh, piece of bamboo. Oh, piece of bamboo. Oh, bamboo. Oh, wait.
Yes, we've tried. magnificent creature.
What? What?
Start filling this floor in with
We've
clothes.
trapped the magnificent, vicious panda.
What? I'm not a panda. I'm a girl in a panda suit. Have you been following me around?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
I think he has, though. Please don't hurt me.
Mommy! Mom, the panda hurt me.
No. This scene has been cut. This has
Power
been
Christ compels you.
watching a panda on the Nature Channel.
Wait,
And you
wait,
might
stop it,
not
stop it,
see
stop it, stop it.
this show again.
Cut
That's
it,
all.
stop it.